Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do October mid-month reading for the sign Gemini, air sign. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Gemini. Okay, Knight of Swords. Page of Wands. Temperance. Hierophant. I think there are some commitment issues between both of you. Yeah, one person want commitment, but there is no balance between both of you because temperance means patience and balance. So patience and balance is needed in this connection. Yeah, one person is younger than the other person in this connection. Knight of Swords. Yeah, one person rushing towards the other person. Yeah, some commitment issues in recent past. There is no balance, or recently your relationship got balance. Things are getting better for some. For some there is no balance. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Gemini. 10 of Cups. 4 of Cups. High Priestess. The Star. Yeah, one person feeling missed opportunity with the other person. 4 of Cups and 10 of Cups. Yes, they want this happiness with the other person. Still they are, if you are in separation, your person still hoping for this connection. They are trusting their intuition. Star. Your person could be Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, especially Aquarius. Definitely still they are hoping for this connection. Or still you are hoping for this connection. It could be you feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person. Energy could be vice versa. So you want this happiness with your person. Still you are hoping for this connection. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Gemini. Yeah, Ace of Pentacles. Nine of Cups. Knight of Wands. The Devil. Yeah, I think under the deck 7 of Swords. Definitely your person playing some mind games with you. I think that's why for some there is commitment issues in parts. Yeah, your person want this connection but don't want to commit. I think they are right now concentrating on their career, or they saying that they want to offer this commitment to you in words but not in actions. Action speaks louder than words. So your person speaks only words but not doing any actions. And yeah, they are obsessed with you, or they may be addicted to some bad habits. Capricorn, your person could be Knight of Wands. Yeah, your person may be in and out your life. That is irritating you. That's why there is unbalance. There is no balance between both of you. And that's why there are commitment issues I am getting for some, definitely. That's why you are not offering the cup of love which is offered by your person. So let's see. Let's pull some more cards from universe regarding your connection. All cards are so let's see. Yes, stress. 7 of Wands. Moment to moment. 2 of Wands. Lot of fire energy, or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Letting go. 8 of Cups. Definitely for some there is separation between both of you. Yeah, conditioning. Devil 2 times. Definitely one person is very, and under the deck ordinariness. Definitely 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, your person want to work on this relationship, or for some your person may be right now concentrating on their career. I think 2 of Wands, they are thinking, are you thinking about you are thinking about each other a lot, but there is separation and feeling very stress. And one more card. Conditioning. Yeah, devil is, yeah, conditioning here. Yes, definitely devil. I think one person is very dominative in this connection. It could be your person. They are not taking any actions, only saying words. I am getting. I think they here commitment is the issue. The Hierophant card is here. That's why you are feeling very stressed. But your person taking time but not taking any actions. So Gemini, so it's up to you what to do, what not to do. Trust your intuition, I am getting, because here High Priestess, definitely trust your intuition. What your intuition says, do that. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.